When the market moves fast, we see a big pullback. It's always good to look at what catalyst could potentially surge the market. And one of the things we got going today is we got Google earnings after hours today. This is from Stockmate. We have targets that we released inside of Stockmate. And we got Tesla reporting earnings today, as well as IBM. And so, it was interesting. We were in our market live session this morning. We were trading SOXS. We ended up selling for a profit this morning at market open over on the inverse of the semiconductor market. And that was a great trade we were able to make. But one thing that we're watching today is the earnings. Now, I normally hardly ever buy stocks in short-term trades around earnings, but there's Robotaxi, there's the connections with their new diner they opened that has Optimus robots that are operating it. There's the new Tesla models that have released. But will the revenue catch up? Well, today's the earnings call, and we're going to see what's going on. And also, not to mention, they might have some unique advantages with their stock as they have connections with things like internet in space with Starlink, which AMD's got some good things going there because they're partnered with Starlink. Maybe outside of Starlink, they have other things that will impact the further development of their company, like XAI. Maybe the GPU usage will come in handy for autonomous computing power or things like that. There's going to be a lot of growth potential for Tesla, not because of only Tesla, but the other companies that are a part of it. Now we're doing a trade here. Let's jump into it. To be honest, I'm giving this a shot. So some of you guys might be aware in the recent months, we announced our new machine here and we got Tesla stock, and I can refresh here. This is the analysis that we got for Tesla stock over the next, we'll take a look at the next day. And we just released this GPT Pro model that does the deep research on the stock, different things that are impacting the different time frames, and it's doing the analysis right now. So I'm actually buying Tesla stock before earnings, which I have not done in a very long time, based on the projections here from Mercatus, which if the machine can load up, it will just take a sec. It's doing a lot of research right now. There we go. It's expected to see in the next day growth on Tesla of at least 1%. But there's also some analysis here where it's pretty bullish. It's saying it, 7%, things like that. I'm testing Mercatus. We're doing some legitimate back testing, but I'm also myself using the system every day to see how it goes. So again, we just entered this trade. We'll be watching it. The movement we're watching for Tesla and why we're kind of trading ahead of earnings, it's possible that it doesn't hold this pattern, but if it holds this pattern that we see developing, this is kind of the trend right now, and it potentially could look something like this on the info line, about a 12% increase if we see it hold that trend on TSLL. So that would be about a 5% increase over on TSLA. And so we're going to watch. I mean, it's possible that happens. We'll probably manage risk and keep it tight. But yeah, we just entered a position relatively small on TSLL. We're I think we're a little bit, we got about 1,600 shares of TSLL. So we'll see how it goes. We'll be watching that throughout the day, and we'll be in a position live today during the earnings. So that's what's going on with TSLL. We see AMD started slow, ended up doing really well. CTM was up about 2%. AMD was up about 2%. And the value that we're watching for today is that the market can hold some of that positive momentum that it built over the last few months. If, for example, we see corrections hit, Google doesn't come in with good earnings, or Tesla really disappoints right now, then it's possible that what could happen is, something that we wouldn't want to see, which is a market correction continuing down, which is possible. So that was just a quick update. I want to let you guys know, normally we don't hold before earnings, but if you're eager to see, and I'm eager to see how Mercatus performs, that's what we're going to be doing today. So look forward to keeping you updated on the position. If you guys want to join our daily live trading that we had this morning, it's the second link in the description for Stockmate. And if you ever want to learn how to trade, invest, and learn how to use AI tools like Mercatus, it's the first link in the description down below. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.